guys, I just wanted to jump on and take you through Beachbody on Demand. We've got a lot of new people in this group, which is awesome. And the website has changed a bit. So I just wanted to make sure you guys are comfortable navigating Beachbody on Demand because there's so much at your fingertips. I mean, you guys know the workouts are there, but in addition to the workouts, the program materials that go along with them are awesome. There's so many recipes. They all coordinate together. You've got Fixate, your cooking show. There's just a ton of value at your fingertips. And so I just want to make sure you're comfy with getting everything that you need to get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen.
What's up, guys?
Before I share my screen.
All right, we're sharing screen.
Okay, so we're going to share the screen. And I'm going to take you to teambeachbody.com. Now, this is where you guys are going to go if you're on a laptop or if you're on a computer. I want you to understand, though, if you're going to be on your smartphone or your smart TV or your iPad or anywhere else, you're going to go to your Beachbody On Demand app. But for now, let's walk through this. So on the upper right, you're going to click on Beachbody On Demand. If you're not signed into your account or this computer doesn't recognize you, it's probably going to prompt you for your login information. Your login information is the same as your Beachbody password, email, and your password. They know that it's me, so I'm on here frequently enough. So I'm in. This is what you guys are going to see when you get onto Beachbody On Demand. And you know, your featured stuff, of course, 80-day obsessions up front right now is all going to be up front. But everything is here, and you can scroll through it this way. You can also look alphabetically. I'm going to focus on the 21-day fix because it's the program where many people start. Its nutrition plan also forms the base for 80-day obsession. So let's check it out. And what I want you guys to understand is this workout list that you see here, this program materials here in this overview, no matter what workout program you pick, Insanity Max 30, or Hammer and Chisel, they're all going to be broken down the same way. So we're just going to look at the 21-day fix because many people start here, and it's super easy to figure this out. So here's your workout list. But what's your workout list without your calendar? Not much. It's not helpful. So you got to go to your program materials, and in your program materials, depending upon which workout you're doing, you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're always going to find your workout calendar, which is here. And you're always going to find a nutrition plan, which is here. Now, I'm going to click on this. You'll see that all this stuff is a PDF format. So you can print it off and use it at home. And I probably would suggest that you would do that, especially for the 21-day fixed nutrition plan. But this is exactly what you would have gotten in the mail back in the day when we ordered each program by program. You would have gotten this nutrition guide. But the best thing is, this is with you anywhere, anytime. So you can pull up this if you're in the grocery store and pick out recipes. You could always reference it, but this is exactly where you would start. And on page 6 here of this plan is exactly how you figure out your containers. And I'm not gonna, this particular video is not gonna focus on the 21-day fix, but if you've got questions, reach out to your coach, and I'm happy to talk you through all of this because once you get it, it's such a simple plan. So that's a cool thing for you guys to look at. And then I want you to keep in mind, I'm gonna close out of this PDF. I want you to keep in mind that every one of these programs, as I've said, has this very same structure. So I'm gonna just pull up one, for example, just taking a second. But, okay, here we go. One of my most favorites. So, okay, if you click on Max 30, Insanity Max 30, you're gonna see that its workout list comes right up, and then its program materials come right up. And the cool thing about the program materials that I wanna point out to you is in their fitness guide, when you click on that PDF, it's going to coordinate with the 21-day fix container system. So if you guys are doing the 21-day fix, don't lose sight of the fact that all these other programs, for the most part, coordinate the container system. And they have tons of recipes in there, which is just taking me a minute to get down to them. But that's great because you've got so much more variety. I'm not sure why it's not pulling up at the moment. It's possible Oh, because I'm in the fitness guide. Sorry, you guys. I thought I was in the nutrition guide. But the nutrition guide has, each recipe has the container equivalent. Ah, this is what I want. So look at this. This is beautiful. So even if you're not doing max 30, no big deal. Pull it up if you need a new recipe idea and check out one of the recipes and feel comfortable that when you're doing it, you're making a recipe that works with your 21-day fix. So here's an example, the Western omelet. It's breaking it down. You're gonna see your protein, you're gonna see your veggies and your oil and nut butters. It's right there, it's easy. So you guys, I just want you to understand that there's so much for you here. The one other thing I wanted to pop over to is Fixate, which is awesome. That's our cooking show. That's done by Autumn Calabrese. Also, it's right over here. There's the Fixate cookbook, which I have on a hand at home. And if you like things in hard copy, I recommend it. I cook out of this thing like every single day pretty regularly. But guess what? If you go under program materials for Fixate, you have grocery lists, you have a startup guide, and then you have all these amazing Fixate recipes, which of course are all from the recipe book. And there's literally, I think, 70 plus pages of recipes here. So I guess what I'm trying to say is there's a ton here at your fingertips. And what I would suggest is that you take 10, 15 minutes and just play around on demand. See what's there. If you've got questions, definitely ask. And, that's why we're here to answer your questions. This is that Fixate book I was referring to before. I love it. I like having things in my hand. But you could even print out it's on a PDF on demand.
It's so cheap, though. I mean, you can get them right.
It's true. So that's what you've got. Like I said, if you're going to use your smart TV or your phone or your iPad, you're going to put on the BOD app. It's a free app, and the format looks pretty much identical to the one I just showed you on the computer, and it's going to still have those same two categories, the workout category and the program material category. It's excellent. You also have the ability on the app to download I don't remember how many workouts.
It's like almost unlimited at this point.
Oh,
yeah.
so you can,
like 30 days.
So like if you're traveling, which we do, sometimes we will look at our calendar ahead and we'll just go right on there to our workouts that we're going to do and download them.
Real quick. So, so you go onto your phone and you find it's BOD right here. So I don't know if you can see that. That might be hard. So anyway, there's an app. When you click on the app,
yep.
There's the Beachbody app and literally access to every single program, which is just, there it is. So same thing.
It looks pretty much the same.
And then you can save them offline. So you don't have Wi-Fi or you don't have.
You don't have to worry about the service at the hotel you're staying at or whatever. They're downloaded and you have them at the ready.
This is only a year old. I mean, Beachbody on Demand has only been since last January. It's completely changed the game into health and fitness nutrition. I can't even explain the value there. I know Heather just did, but tried to. But it's beyond anything you could possibly imagine. I'm telling you, you go in there, you dive in. It's everything. We used to spend, the programs were $120 each program. We pretty much got them all.
Yeah, minimum.
Now you're getting everything. I mean, you get it all, and all the bonus material. Obviously,
yes, I didn't even show you guys that, but most trainers have their own category of trainer specials for Beachbody on Demand, which you'll find if you scroll all the way to the bottom. And then on top of it, your favorite programs like PiO and Insanity, if you go on the workout list all the way to the bottom, you're going to see all these bonus workouts from the live team. It's really awesome.
Anyway, let them check it out.
Okay, check it out. If you've got questions, just
ask your coach or ask us, whatever, and we'll certainly help you out. All right, looking forward to it. Yeah. Awesome. See you guys.
Bye.